Come on, everybody.
But they got a fire at this end.
Fire.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Apple Pet Cottage.
Apple pit.
Yeah.
Yes.
Walking down to the river. Then we'll hopefully we're going to pick up our path that we require. Yeah.
I don't see the river. Shouldn't the river be on our left?
I can hear it. No, the river should be on our right now.
Yeah, my left.
Yeah, that's where you cross the river. That's the way.
It is the way, is it?
Yeah.
Lovely job. Here we are we?
Yeah.
Morning, Cuthbert. Didn't swear, did I?
No.
Oh, very good. Was it when I was abusing Jack?
No, I just missed that bit. So let's play catch up. What we'd actually said was that if we'd gone the wrong way, we were going to blame Jack. But
Yeah.
Janet jumped to his defence and went, no, let's give him a day off and we'll blame Barry. So everything that goes wrong today, it's Barry's fault.
Barry's fault. And so far there's been 10. What a very pretty walk.
As you can see, Pip still doesn't have the camera.
I'm not allowed the camera. Just because I tried volunteering.
Yeah, you go to help out and that's what happens.
Look, they're all going, don't do it anymore, don't volunteer. At least it's not as bad as the silent films that we had up in the Lake District.
Hard not pass.
Hard not pass. And I had the camera and then the next day it was broken.
Yep, day one.
Day one.
Broken on day one.
Yeah, silent footage it is.
Well, we actually thought this one was Pip proof, but obviously not.
So Baz is going to do the YouTubing.
Yes.
Yeah. After you, mate.
See, I said Kent was flat. It's a figment of your imagination that you're going up and down hills.
Well, I must have a good imagination.
Can't hear ya.
I said I've got a good imagination and my legs are,
Well, your legs don't hurt and you're fine.
my legs are fine today.
She staggers and falls in the water.
It's my walking stick.
Yeah, it's a bit of a long walk today.
A couple of castles and a villa.
Whose idea was it to do this? Hey, do you want me to take the camera for a bit, Daz? No.
On that note, we'll go.
Bye,
Before he touches it.
Cuthbert.
Bye, Egbert, bye.